Welcome back to Pentagram Prime, everybody. This is just a quick update. I wanted to show you a project I've been working on here. This is basically a little quiz game that I'm setting up on Google Sheets using the Google Sheets API. I'm sorry that it's not much to look at this point. I'm experimenting with being able to do both text-based and, as you just saw, photographically based questions. Um, Much like the time I tried to be a tattoo artist, I'm not much of a coder either. Fortunately, nobody's going to get cut up in the process of this project. Um, but I'm looking forward to it. It's going to help me play around with, among other things, organic chemistry. And what I did this afternoon was just get a loop set up so that I can, once I get to the end of the list of questions, it will simply bring me back to the first question. Right here we've got sodium acetate, and on the right hand side we're going to show the formula, which, let's see, hummin' NaCH3COO. How am I doing? CH3COO. Yeah, I got the Na on the wrong side, and I forgot the shorthand, NaOAC. Alright, work on that later. So anyways, trying to make sure the font's working properly and everything. Part of the reason I'm posting this is I also wanted to say that today I just learned a little bit of basics about proper tagging on YouTube, and I'm going to be trying to do that better so that I can go ahead and have, basically attract the right people to the right videos and not disappoint anybody. I really don't want to see a math geek who has no interest in Kerbal Space Program being suckered into thinking there's a math lesson on a KSP video, or vice versa. So anyways, the big thing here was just to, once I get to the last question, acetic A, meaning acetic acid, because I didn't have space to type anymore. I gotta get better at wrapping the text here. Then I wanted it to skip back to the first question on the list. Click correct. And acetic acid, it's the same question. I got to go ahead and put in some more original questions on here. But I've been having fun coding this thing, and look forward to showing you a little bit more of this in a future video. Anyways, next lesson will be this Saturday at 11 p.m. I'm thinking it's going to be something on contour integrals again, although I haven't really decided yet. Sorry about that. Yeah, I'll see you guys on Saturday night. Till then, this is Pentagram Prime signing off.